Success is not magic or luck. It is the habits you start today. Everyone has the same 24 hours, but the difference is that some waste it while others use it to achieve their dreams. Point number one, believes in yourself. If you don't trust anyone, no one else will. Every day, look in the mirror and say, I can do this. This small habit train your mind for success. Point number two, small steps build big success. You can't achieve everything in one day. But one small step, one habit, one goal, each day brings you closer to your dreams. Small wins lead to big wins. Point number three, failure teaches lesson. It's not a stop. Every successful person has failed many times. The difference is they learn from it and rise again. Remember, every failure is part of success. Make a day plan and take at least one small step every day. Remove negative thoughts and speak positive words to yourself. Write your goals daily and keep it in front of you to stay focused. The journey to success starts today, not tomorrow. Stand up, take action, and promise yourself to change your destiny today.